Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Uber Eats. So let's get started right away. You can only do this using your PC or your web browser. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubereats.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Uber Eats website where you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and use your email address and password or your phone number or social accounts. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start ordering your food. Now, if you wish to set your password or change it, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Manage Account. From the Manage Account page, click on Security, and now within Security, you will see your password option. Go ahead and tap on this, and if this is the first time that you are setting your password, you will simply be asked to set your new password. Otherwise, you will be asked to enter your current password first, and then you will be required to enter your new password twice for confirmation. After entering your new password and then confirming it as well, click on the Update button, and now your password will successfully be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.